Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook, a popular platform for freelancers and small businesses. I've been using HoneyBook for a few years now, and I found it to be a really helpful tool for managing my clients and finances. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, can you pay people through HoneyBook? I'll also cover some other topics, such as how to set up HoneyBook payments, how to track your payments, and how to get paid faster. So, if you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, or if you're just curious about how to pay people through it, then please stick around. What is HoneyBook? Before I get into the nitty-gritty of paying people through HoneyBook, let me give you a quick overview of what HoneyBook is. HoneyBook is a cloud-based software platform that helps freelancers and small businesses manage their clients and finances. It offers a variety of features, including client management. You can create client profiles, track client projects, and send invoices. Financial management. You can create invoices, track expenses, and get paid online. Proposal templates. You can create and send professional proposals to clients. Workflow automation. You can automate tasks, such as sending emails and creating invoices. How to pay people through HoneyBook. Now that you have a basic understanding of HoneyBook, let's get to the question at hand. Can you pay people through HoneyBook? The answer is yes. HoneyBook makes it easy to pay people through its platform. Here's how to do it. Create a new invoice. Go to the Invoices tab and click on the New Invoice button. Add the recipient's information. Enter the recipient's name, address, and email address. Add the line items. Enter the items that you're billing the recipient for, along with the price of each item. Add the payment method. Select HoneyBook as the payment method. Send the invoice. Click on the Send Invoice button. Once the recipient receives the invoice, they can pay it online through HoneyBook. They can also pay it by check or credit card. How to track your payments. Once you've sent an invoice, you can track its status in the Invoices tab. You can see whether the invoice has been paid, and if so, when it was paid. You can also view a report of all your payments in the Reports tab. This report will show you all of your income and expenses for a given period of time. How to get paid faster. There are a few things you can do to get paid faster through HoneyBook. Set up automatic payments. This will allow your clients to automatically pay their invoices on a recurring basis. Offer early bird discounts. This will incentivize your clients to pay their invoices early. Send invoices as soon as possible. The sooner you send an invoice, the sooner you'll get paid. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about HoneyBook or how to pay people through it, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, I encourage you to check out their website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on freelancing.